Yeah, so now the next thing we're going to do is we're creating HTML pages here. We're learning to work with divs and CSS. And we're going to take the code from exercise 1 and round the corners of the div. So I'm going to go into my editor and grab this and just copy it and call it O2 round corners. Actually, I'm going to call it border radius because that's what we're going to use to do it. And so here's the CSS, there's the HTML, and I'll split that vertically. And so that right now gives us a square. All right, so I want to round the corners. I'm going to do border radius. And I could set one setting, so I could do like 20 pixels. Okay, and this is what this will look like. You can see the corners are rounded there. Or I could do 20%. You can see around them a little bit more. Or I could do 100%, and I made a circle. That's kind of cool. So I did 20%, and I did 100%. And yeah, come on in. So that's how we round the borders. That's border radius. And the last thing I'll show you, hold on one second, Peter. Last thing I'll show you is you could do that's just all four corners. You could do top and bottom. So I could say 100% on that, and I could say 0. So this would be top and bottom. That's right and left. And then if I look at that, kind of a funky shape.
Oh, cool.
Or I could bring this down to 20% again and get, something like that. Or I could do all four where I do like 20%, 0, 20%, 20%, 0, 0. So that's top, right, bottom, left. And so here's the top, the right, the bottom, the left. And so that's trouble, TRBL. So you could set all four. You could set top and bottom, right and left, or you could set all four at once. This is setting all four individually. So play with rounding the corners with border radius, and I'll leave this code up.